everyone, welcome to this class. Myself Ranjita, and today we are going to discuss about the center of mass. Center of mass system of particles का एक important term है. System of particles means a rigid body or extended body which consists of thousand number of particles. अगर हम देखेंगे ये सारे particles कहाँ पर concentrated हो रहे हैं, then that is our center of mass. अगर हम देखेंगे ये मार्कर का एग्जाम्पल लेती हूँ. यहाँ पर अगर हम देखेंगे ये मार्कर कहाँ पर बैलेंस हो रहा है, कौन सा पॉइंट पे बैलेंस हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स दिस इज द बैलेंसिंग पॉइंट. और यहाँ पर अगर हम उसको होल्ड करेंगे देन इट विल बैलेंस और यहाँ पर ये ऐसे ही रुक जाएगा. ओके, दैट मीन्स its masses are concentrated at this point. So this one is the center of mass. So अगर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट का देखते हैं हम तो सेंटर ऑफ मास इज द योर पॉइंट और लोकेशन एट व्हिच ऑल द masses are concentrated. So what about the definition? It is a point where whole mass of the body is concentrated. Here one more line is given, that is for homogeneous body its center of mass is at its geometrical center. That means कोई भी अगर हम रेगुलर शेप लेते हैं geometrical center जहाँ पर है that is the center of mass. Let's start with a simple examples. Let's assume only two particles are there in any particular coordinates. Okay. For any extended body it is not like that only two particles are there, but for let our simplicity or to find out a formula, let assume only two particles are there in any coordinate. So let assume two particles. First one is your of mass m1, another one is here that is of mass m2. So let's take here this one is your coordinates or your x-axis. This one is origin. Okay. Now let assume that m1 is at x1 and m2 is at x2 distance from the origin. Then we have to find out for these two mass what about the center of mass. Okay. ये दो पॉइंट के लिए हमें निकालना है सेंटर ऑफ मास कहाँ पर आ रहा है. So center of mass can be calculated by means of your mass weighted mean. Okay, what about that formula? Your x is equals to, let's x is the position, so x is equals to x1 m1 plus x2 m2 divided by total mass, that is m1 plus m2. अगर हम देखेंगे यहाँ पर your x कोऑर्डिनेट में है, that's why only we are going to find out the value of x. अगर टू डायमेंशनल लेते हैं then you have to find out x and y. Okay, so this one is called mass weighted mean. Okay, if instead of two particles number of particles are there, let assume n number of particles. If n numbers of particles are there in same x-axis, if we consider x1 distance, your m1 will be there, x2 distance, m2 will be there, x3 distance, m3 will be there, and so on. So what about the center of mass? X is equals to x1 m1 plus x2 m2 plus x3 m3. And in similar way you have to add your n number of particles. So last one is your nn, that's why xn mn divided by m1 plus m2 up to mn. This is our formula. Now if we want to write it in short, then you can write down summation of xi mi by summation of mi. I is from 1 to n. So in this way we can find out for a single coordinate. अगर सारे पॉइंट्स एक ही कोऑर्डिनेट में हैं, then you can find out like this.